heard a conversation the first day in a discussion, but it was not the official discussion. I just heard a voice saying something like, we linguists right now are very interested in cultural studies. Unfortunately, cultural studies is not really interested in linguistics, right? Something like that. Well, my article is a little interested in linguistics. I mean, I've always been a little interested in including linguistics, right? In my research, in my previous research, but this time I'm going to elaborate on two theories that are not really linguistic theories, but they include a strong linguistic component. And between them, I will make a short journey into generative grammar by Noam Chomsky that I personally I don't think it's a good linguistic theory at all, but I'll make a short venue to queer this theory. Okay. So the title is Interpolated on Camp, and the interpolation is a concept by Louis Althusser, which is a little bit linguistic, right? The most problematic thing about camp, since it's coming to prominence in the 60s of the 20th century, has been its definition, the inability to define it, to catch and close its indefiniteness in a dictionary description or even in an oral pragmatic formula. For example, a working definition is essential before we can pinpoint camp retrospectively and contemporarily.